much. How are we doing so far? Is this good? Is this good with everybody? All right. Success. Everyone's happy. I like that. So, what's going on? What have you been doing since the spring? Anything cool? We've been waiting on this tour to happen, pretty much. We've been waiting to come back. We had a crazy year, man. This year, this tour, in fact, is just the best way we can think of to celebrate the year that you guys have given us. Thank you so much for 2013. This is unbelievable. It's hard to believe all the things that we have crammed into from January to right now. It's just been a whirlwind. It's been an absolute roller coaster, but we're so, so grateful, and it's just good to be back. It's good to be on this tour and be doing this. 2 years ago, I guess it was 2 years ago now, we were starting to write the album that came out this year, the self-titled one, and it was so weird because we weren't really sure what we wanted it to be, you know? It was like we had all these words in our heads to describe it, but it wasn't real. Like it was just words. And we were right outside of LA. We were recording at our friend's house, doing demos and stuff. And this song just we sort of vomited this song out like in like 5 minutes. It happened, and it was such an amazing moment just for the three of us to know like we're back in the game. Like we're doing this. It's happening. Like gave us so much confidence back, and it gave us hope again, you know, after just a rough time. And today I was on Twitter, as I usually am, 24 hours a day, and I was reading, you know, different things that people were sending me, and somebody sent me a tweet that I had posted 2 years ago saying, or actually it was a year ago, and I was saying, hey, I just recorded piano on this song that we're so proud of it, and I can't wait to hear you guys sing it. And that was this song. It's just amazing to think how full circle things have come, and I can't wait to hear you guys sing this one.